Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to use the split screen on your Samsung Galaxy Tab, and keep watching as there are hot tips throughout. So we'll start by opening the YouTube app, and to get a split screen I'll grab one of these icons here and drag it across to the right or left hand side. As you can see, the screen is now split. Now if I want to resize the screens, I can just grab the line in the center and pull that across to the left or pull that across to the right. If I pull it all of the way across, it will close the right hand side or left hand side window. Let's just drag to reopen. Now if you don't have the app that you want to open available along the bottom, you can press one of these blue lines just at the top on either side of the screen. We have 9 dots just on the right hand side. Once that's clicked, it will show you the available apps, and you can select one from here. There are a couple more options just on this blue bar, so let's go in again. If you press this square within a square, you'll see that the app reduces its size and becomes a floating app which you can pull from left to right. You can still have split screen as well by dragging an icon to the right hand side. When you're finished with this floating app, press that blue line and hit the X. Going back to the main split blue line, press that. We have a button here to maximize that page. We'll bring YouTube back. We'll go to the blue line again, and you've seen the close button, but that's how it's done for completion. Let's go back with YouTube on the split. Now the final two hot tips are just here in this center split. There are 3 dots. If you just press those 3 dots, you can change the side the apps sit really quickly, really easily. And best of all, if you press the 3 dots, you have this star. Press that, and you can save these as an app pair, and you can save them to your taskbar, home screen, or apps edge panel. Let's save it to the taskbar. And here we have them. So let's close these off, and we can open our split screen, and it's ready for us anytime.